Good morning everyone, this is Sujan Mane from 9. Today I will tell day and date. Today's day is Tuesday. Today's date is 7 October 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Samarthi Malapre from grade 9. Every Tuesday we observe a thoughtful Tuesday. So on behalf of it, I would like to share a thought. The thought is the quality of your life is determined by the quality of that. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Samriddhi Sadalge from grade 9.
My name is Samskruti Naik from grade 9.
I am Vedika Daribe from grade 9. This is Nareshwari Bedavkar from grade 9.
We are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing World Cotton Day, observed on October 7 every year. Importance of cotton in global economy and daily life.
First celebrated in 2019, led by World Trade Organization. Now talking about some facts of cotton. Cotton has been grown for over 7,000 years. One cotton t-shirt takes about 2,700 liters of water to make.
Cotton seed is also used for oil and animal feed. India, China, the USA are top cotton producers. Today we are also observing the another important day, Maharshi Valmiki Jayanti, great sage, poet and philosopher in ancient India, lived around 500 BCE to 100 BCE approx, known as the Adi Kavi, the first poet of Sanskrit literature.
Author of the epic Ramayana, one of the oldest epics in the world, born as Ratnakar, a hunter or dacoit.
Had a spiritual transformation after meeting the sage Narad, was renamed Valmiki.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send message that believe in change and self-improvement. Follow the path of truth, respect and duty. Anyone can become great through good actions. From the purity of cotton to the wisdom of Ramayana, let us live a life of
Simplicity, strength and truth. Thank you.
Good morning all. I request everyone to please stand straight with feet a little apart for the breathing exercise. Take a deep breath through your nose. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly. One last time. Take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Thank you.